And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the SAM tag. It's the sample tag which defines output from a computer program. It's not deprecated yet, but you can see all that it does is it changes the formatting to monospace, and many people use code or keyboard, so the KVD tag, instead of it. So it's rarely used, but by definition it's used for the sample output from a computer program. But the lines between code, KVD and SAM are a little bit blurry. There are no specific attributes for this tag, so this is already all there is to know about the SAM tag. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.